Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to crochet this cute little sunflower bucket hat. This is for age 10 to 12 months old, but you can make it in any size that you want, so it's up to you. Just keep making a granny square sunflower. I'll put the link in the description box below for the tutorial, that one. But for now, let's begin making it once you have. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to make a crochet hat bucket. We have here 4 different garnet squares. This is 10 to 12 months old. I'm gonna use 4mm hook. I will put the link in the description box below for the tutorial of these garnet squares. To begin, make it like that. Grab yarn, and then I'm gonna hold the yarn here. Make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna make 12 double crochet in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 double crochet, pull, and go on the 3rd chain, yarn over, make 1 slip stitch. Make sure you count 12 double crochet in total. Now round 2. 1, 2, 3. 1 double crochet in the 1st stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet per stitches all the way around, and you should have 24 stitches in total, because in the beginning we have 12 double crochet in total, and in the next round we are increasing and we place 2 double crochet per stitches, and that would bring us to 12 double crochet or 24 double crochet in total for the 2nd round. And once you're done, just make a slip stitch on the very 3rd chain to close the round. So yarn over, and this is my last stitch, placing 2 double crochet, 1, and remaining stitch, slip stitch here, 1, 2, 3. It's okay to put it there, and like that. This is for our 2nd round. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to make 1 double crochet in the very 1st stitch, then 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1, 2, then 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and I'm just gonna repeat that all the way around. Make a slip stitch on the 3rd chain. I have 36 stitches in total, and this is how it looked like. 36 double crochet in total all the way around. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. Chain around 1, 2, 3, round 4, 1, 2, 3. 1 double crochet in the 1st stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, in each of the next 2 stitches. That's 1, 2. Repeat 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, 1, 2. Repeat all the way around. We have 48 stitches in total. 1, 2, 3. Insert, make a slip stitch to close. I'm gonna make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go in the very first stitch, make 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3. Repeat 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1, 2. 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Repeat that all the way around. Once you're done, go on the 3rd chain, make 1 slip stitch to close, 4 inches in diameter. Chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. We have 60 stitches in total here, and we have 17 stitches in total here. Starting here in chain 3 all the way here, we have 17 stitches. Insert your hook in any stitch in the back loop and insert your hook here. Take not the good side, both not good side, not good side. The good one is in the other side, so it's all uniform. Then insert your hook in the chain 3 space, make a slip knot, make a slip knot, chain 1, then insert your hook in the next stitch in the back loop and insert your hook in the bottom in the front loop stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Go in the next stitch, back loop, front loop, yarn over, make 1 slip stitch, back loop, front loop, yarn over, make 1 slip stitch, back loop, front loop, 1 slip stitch. So I want to decrease 1 time here on the top stitch for the round. We have excess stitches. Please insert your hook on the top 1 and go again in the next stitch to make it all 1, and then insert your hook in the next stitch in the bottom in the front loop, in the back loop, in the front loop, sorry, in the front loop, yarn over and pull and make 1 slip stitch, and then no more decrease on the top, and then just continue making 1 slip stitch. So I decrease 1 stitch on the top 1 time, and I'm gonna do that decrease 2 more times to fit the 17 stitches all to the stitches of the round. Back loop, front loop. I'm gonna take this stitch here, chain 3, yarn over and pull through. Next one, back loop, chain 3. We have chain 3 here, and then here. You can connect this one as any way how you like, as long as they are nicely connected. Actually, no need to count, just make sure they are nicely connected in the end. So this is my last stitch. Grab the next one. I'm gonna insert my hook in chain 3, yarn over and pull through. Continue, insert your hook in the next stitch in the bottom in the back loop, and next stitch in the bottom in the front loop, yarn over and pull through all. You can decrease anytime you like. I like to decrease now. Insert your hook in the next stitch on the top in the back loop, and again insert your hook in the next stitch. So I just make 2 stitches as one. Go in the next stitch in the bottom, yarn over and pull through all. And that's how I'm gonna do that all the way around. And I'm gonna see you once I'm done connecting all of this granny square on the top or on the round. So go ahead do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. Once it's all connected here on the top, 1 2 3 4 granny square attached to the round one on the top. Now I connected this part here inside, 1 2 3, and then last one here, 4. So it's up to you how you connect that one. So I'm just gonna start here in a random stitch that you find and connect it right in front of that stitch. So I'm starting in the chain 3 and then chain 3 on the top, pull, make chain 1, go in the next stitch. I'm gonna go directly here, the first double crochet of chain 3 and front loop in the bottom, make 1 slip stitch, likewise how we connected, back loop, front loop, slip stitch, back loop, front loop, slip stitch, all the way until chain 3 space. So now we're going to make the edging. The edging part is gonna be so easy. I'm gonna place a chain of 3, 1 2 3, and then here 1 double crochet in chain 3 space, one double crochet in the next stitch, this one on top, 1 double crochet per stitches all the way around. So if you're reaching a chain 3 space, place only 1 double crochet instead of 3 double crochet. So we are here in the chain 3 space. Just place 1 double crochet there, only 1, then 1 double crochet here again, jump in this one, 1 double crochet there, or that's too much here. I'm gonna place 1 double crochet in the middle. So sometimes it's about trying out.
Sorry, ich musste hier anrufen. Meine Handys sind gesperrt.
And then here. Then 1 double crochet per stitches all the way around. This is how it look like. And it fits perfectly to my little one. 1 double crochet here and chain 3 space. Place 1 double crochet there, and then 1 double crochet again in the same chain 3 space, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, which is on the top of the double crochet, 2 double crochet per stitches. Repeat that all the way here. 2 double crochet here in this stitch here. 1, 2. 2 double crochet here in the middle and insert your hook here. Place 2 double crochet. 1, 2. 2 double crochet here in a chain 3 space or in that corner. And that's how I do it with this corner if you reach that area here. Go normal with 2 double crochet per stitches all the way around. So that's just how I do it. Go ahead, do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. Here are 1 double crochet here in the middle. Chain 1, 2, 3, 1 slip stitch after that. And this is your work should look like a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip the very first stitch, go in the next, place 1 double crochet and just place 1 double crochet per stitches all the way around. Once you're done, go on the 3rd chain, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. I will repeat making 1 double crochet per stitches, and that's basically it. It's super cute. I have 3 rows of double crochet here. Let me know if you guys like it as well, and I cannot wait to try it on for her. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 of this one. You can even also put this on the top, but we just want it around it. I really like it. So let me know if you guys like it. And there is being a like this chaos under, but here is beautiful, and as well as here. And I'm gonna cut out all of this. It's already secured all these stitches here, remaining stitches, and I'm just gonna clean it up and then it's done. And it's perfect for summer. That's it for this video. I hope you guys like and subscribe and follow for more tutorial. I make videos like this in the future, beginners and advanced. That's it. See you. Bye. Don't forget to share your finished item in crochetlyn in Instagram or in Facebook page crochetlyn. And that's it. See you. Bye. And this is how it looked like. I hope you guys like it. I really like this granny square with sunflower effect, and it fits to her really nice and perfect. I'm so happy with the color that I chose. The material that I use is cotton, and it is super light and refreshing to the skin. It is bamboo cotton, perfect for baby skin.